Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the 2023 limited edition holiday collection from Rodan Fields. It includes 3 products: the Volumizing Hand Cream that visibly plumps hands, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, relieves dryness, and makes them feel like they've been renewed, rejuvenated, and intensely hydrated. So it includes a few ingredients: sunflower and avocado oil, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glucosamine complex that supports the natural production of collagen and elastin, contributing to a reduction in the visible signs of aging while adding suppleness and volume to hands. Smell a little bit of lavender. I think the purple is a bit of a giveaway. That's really nice. By the way, really loving the packaging for these boxes as well. It's like it's already wrapped for you. Next up is the Ultra Rich Moisturizing Foot Cream that renews, smooths, and nourishes dry, rough soles and feet while locking in skin moisture. Absorbs quickly, leaving feet feeling soft and comfortable. And it's a rich, non-greasy texture, providing immediate and long-term hydration with continued use to help rejuvenate dry, cracked skin. So this one includes olive oil, triple hyaluronic acid complex, which significantly increases skin hydration as it aids in water retention and boosts moisture levels, and shea butter, which provides immediate relief and comfort to irritated feet. I think I'll enjoy using this with my little moisturizing heel socks. This will definitely come in very handy, especially with summer coming. Finally, there's the Shimmer body oil, which infuses skin with instant luminosity and satiny moisturization, melts into skin and promotes a healthy, natural glow, contains pearlescent shimmers that leave a supple, luminous finish on skin, and absorbs seamlessly into skin for long-lasting moisturization and no greasy afterfeel. Oh, look at that. Just gives a nice little shimmer there. It includes squalene and jojoba oil. So there you go. What do you think of these products? Will you be buying any? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.